Okay, now we're going to walk you through the process for one of our high-speed SMT machines. At the beginning of the process, you'll see that the motherboards come, we purchase them, we get them from a supplier in sets of 4 or 5. This base motherboard is going to run through the high-speed machine. All of the chips and electronic components will be mounted and installed on these boards as they run through the SMT machine. And we'll show you that process as we go through now. Each 6 of these individual processes here are mounting individual chipsets onto the motherboard. The chipsets here are the mountings for memory chips, for TV tuner chips, for SIM cards. Some of these motherboards will hold 2 SIM cards, some will hold 3 SIM cards. In addition, at this phase of the process, coming off of these reels, we will install either GSM or CDMA chipset, depending on the type of phone we're producing. So we have chips going in now. These are GSM phones. So these are chipsets that are coming from MediaTek. And as you can see here, earlier I showed you the first set of motherboard with nothing installed. This is after coming through the first 2 phases of the SMT process. We have various electronic assemblies and chips that have already been installed. Now we'll move on to the last phase of the PCBA process. Here, the PCBA boards, again in sets of 4, have all of the chipsets and electronic components installed. You'll see this one here in particular is a 1 SIM card, a TV tuner, and a flash memory chip. So this will be a very unique and specialized feature set phone. We'll move from this step. The next process will be X-ray and analysis before we move into cutting. Cutting is where we'll officially separate these motherboards into individual pieces. So please join me as we go to the next step.